Kiwi Camera Service has been around since around '98. We're a full-service camera repair shop. We repair pretty much any camera, lens, tripod, you name it, anything photographic. We service a broad range of client, from a young person who's just discovering photography to the professional that's been doing it for 30, 40 years. You bring in any camera, it doesn't matter the value, we'll fix it for you if you want to take pictures with it. My Uncle Dickinson, Bill Dickinson, who is Kiwi, he taught me photography at a very young age, and that's where I really got the bug. But it wasn't until I was in high school working at International Camera in Castleberry that I really learned the mechanics of the cameras and really got deep into that. And it's turned into a full-blown professional career of actually servicing pro gear. There's very few people left, actually, in the country that do this kind of work.
He went to college for camera repair, and even that school was the only one in the entire US that did it at the time, and they don't even do it anymore. So really the only way to learn camera repair is to learn it from somebody and be an apprentice. So I'm super fortunate to be working here and learning under him.
Because I've been doing this for so long in Central Florida, the photographic community really knows me, and because the community is relatively connected, I'm very thankful that I don't have to go after the work finds me. Back in 2008, I decided I was just going to have a very relaxed swap meet, where it was just to invite anybody who wanted to set up a table, to put out any cameras that they wanted to sell or trade or buy, and just have it open to the community.
The more traditional swap meets are held inside gymnasiums. You have to pay to get in, you have to pay to do a table, where this is more so a community event.
We really have a good time, not only showing off all these fun, cool cameras that people had never seen before, but it's a way for people to actually get a hold of some equipment that would have been totally inaccessible at a good price too, you know. We have a lot of young people that have grown up coming to the swap meet and actually become photographers.
So yeah, I've been coming here for about probably 5 or 6 years now. The camera swap meet here at Kiwi Camera Service has just always been a ball. Interesting people that you get to meet.
That person obviously is going to grow up in a digital world, but for them to slow down and to see the mechanics and the process of photography is really what we're all about, is to try to preserve that. And not to be snobby or like, oh, this is better than that. It's just, it's part of the process of where digital photography came from, and once you understand it, your digital photography actually improves. The love of photography is always there, no matter what cameras that anybody shoots with. And so we want to keep that going. And no matter what age you are, what color you are, we don't care. We love photography as much as you do. When you walk in that door, you're going to know it. And we make sure of that.
Inside Central Florida, your source for events, theme park news, local eats, and more, streaming 24/7 on the WFTV Now app on your TV.